Kickstart your English learning journey with ease. Subscribe to Ali Trainings today and master English effectively. Here's a list of 100 where questions with answers tailored for daily spoken English conversation. Where do you live? I live in downtown Toronto. Where did you buy that dress? I bought it at a boutique on Fifth Avenue. Where's the nearest bus stop? It's just around the corner, next to the post office. Where did you go on your last vacation? We went to Japan last spring. Where is the meeting being held? In the main conference room on the second floor. Where can I find a good Italian restaurant? There's one just 2 blocks away from here, called Bella Italia. Where did you get your haircut? At the new salon near the library. Where should we park? There is a parking lot right behind the building. Where are the restrooms? Down the hall to your left. Where did you last see your keys? In the kitchen on the counter. Where can I buy tickets for the concert? You can buy them online or at the venue's box office. Where do you work? I work at a software company downtown. Where's the closest ATM? The closest ATM is next to the supermarket on Elm Street. Where did you learn to speak French? I learned it while I was living in Paris. Where should we meet tomorrow? Let's meet at the coffee shop near your office. Where can I find your new book? It's available in major bookstores and online. Where did you grow up? I grew up in a small town in California. Where is the best place to watch the sunset? At the clifftop park overlooking the ocean. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Hopefully, working in a senior role at my current company. Where did they go after the movie? They went to grab some dinner at the diner across the street. Where can I charge my phone? There's a charging station in the waiting area. Where do you buy your groceries? From the farmer's market down the street. Where did you find this recipe? I found it in a cooking magazine. Where can we watch the game tonight? At the sports bar on Main Street. They show all the games. Where did you put my book? I left it on the shelf in your study. Where is the nearest subway station? It's only a 5-minute walk from here, right past the high school. Where do you usually go for a run? I usually run in the park near my house. Where's a good place to buy electronics? You should check out the Tech Hub on 3rd Avenue. Where did you hear about this event? I saw it advertised on social media. Where should I leave these documents? Please leave them on my desk. Where can I learn more about this topic? There are several great books and websites dedicated to it. You might also find online courses at Ali Trainings Helpful. Where did you spend your childhood? I spent my childhood in a rural area near Nashville. Where is a good place to relax? The city garden is a peaceful spot to unwind. Where do you get your news from? Mostly from online news portals. Where can I find a good mechanic? Mike's Garage on Carter Road is very reliable. Where do they serve the best coffee? At Brewster's in the town center, they have excellent coffee. Where did you park the car? I parked it in the underground garage next to the mall. Where can I find a quiet place to study? The library on 4th Street has a quiet study area. Where did you buy these beautiful flowers? At the flower market early this morning. Where should we have lunch? How about that new Thai place across from the park? Where can I get a copy of this report? You can download it from the company intranet. Where do you recommend visiting in Europe? I highly recommend visiting both Rome and Paris. Where is your new office located? It's located in the Eastwood building on Lexington Avenue. Where did you go for dinner yesterday? We went to a seafood restaurant by the marina. Where is your favorite place to vacation? My favorite vacation spot is the Greek islands. Where did you learn to cook so well? I learned most of it from my grandmother and some from cooking classes. Where do we stand on the project? We're about 3/4 done with the main objectives. Where is your hometown? My hometown is a small city on the coast of Maine. Where can I find a good yoga class? There's an excellent yoga studio on Elmwood Avenue. Where did you find your pet? We adopted her from the local animal shelter. Where do you prefer to study? I prefer to study in the quiet corner of the local coffee shop. Where can I find a reliable babysitter? You can find reliable babysitters through the Safe Sitters online platform. Where did you get your shoes? I bought them online from a retailer that specializes in athletic footwear. Where should I turn to find the hospital? Turn right at the next traffic light, and you'll see the hospital on your left. Where is the best place to see the city skyline? The rooftop bar on 25th Street offers a stunning view of the city skyline. Where did you last see your glasses? I last saw them on my desk next to the computer. Where can I buy fresh seafood? The Central Market downtown has a great selection of fresh seafood. Where should I put this old furniture? You can put it in the garage for now, or consider donating it. Where do most tourists stay in the city? Most tourists stay in hotels near the downtown area for easy access to attractions. Where can I find the instructions manual for this device? You should find the manual inside the box, or you can download it from the manufacturer's website. Where do you usually go for your annual vacation? We usually go to a national park to enjoy hiking and nature. Where's the nearest veterinary clinic? There's one just a couple of blocks away, on Pine Street. Where did you meet your spouse? We met at a friend's wedding a few years ago. Where is the closest electric vehicle charging station? The closest charging station is at the shopping mall on North Avenue. Where do you usually get your car serviced? I take it to the service center, across from the post office. Where did you buy these beautiful curtains? I bought them at a local home decor store downtown. Where can I find a good hiking trail? There's a great hiking trail in the Green Ridge Forest, just north of the city. Where do you plan to go for dinner tonight? We plan to try out the new Korean BBQ place that opened up recently. Where did you celebrate your last birthday? I celebrated it at home with a small group of friends and family. Where's a good place to learn photography? The community college offers excellent courses in photography. Where can I exchange foreign currency? You can exchange currency at any major bank or at the currency exchange office in the airport. Where do you keep your medications? I keep them in a cabinet in the bathroom, away from direct sunlight. Where did you find the time to do all this? I had to carefully manage my schedule to fit everything in. Where is the manual override for this system? The manual override switch is located in the control panel by the server room. Where did your children go to school? They went to the local public school right here in our neighborhood. Where can I volunteer in the community? There are several opportunities at the community center and local shelters. Where did you get this interesting book? I found it at a small bookstore that specializes in rare and second-hand books. Where can we set up the meeting? Let's set it up in the conference room on the third floor. Where did you learn about this job opportunity? I learned about it through a professional networking site. Where do you usually shop for clothes? I shop at a mix of local boutiques and online stores. Where is the fuse box in this building? The fuse box is in the basement, next to the storage rooms. Where should we go for our next team outing? How about going to the adventure park? It has activities for everyone. Where did this tradition originate? This tradition originated in Eastern Europe and has been part of our culture for centuries. Where is the best place to get a cup of coffee? There's a great little coffee shop on Elm Street. It's cozy, and they roast their own beans. Where do you see the industry heading? In the next 5 years? I see it becoming more technology-driven and customer-focused. Where can I park my bike around here? There is a bike rack located behind the building. Where did you spend your summer holidays as a child? We used to spend them at my grandparents' house in the countryside. Where is the warranty card for this appliance? It should be inside the box or filed with your purchase receipts. Where is the nearest public library? The nearest library is just a 10-minute walk from here, near the City Hall. Where can I find a quiet place to read? The community park has some quiet benches perfect for reading. Where should I store these documents? Store them in the secure filing cabinet in your office. Where did you go for your morning run? I ran along the river trail. It's peaceful and scenic. Where can I learn more about this art piece? You can find more information on the museum's website or in their published guide. Where did you last vacation overseas? Last year, I vacationed in Spain. It was beautiful. Where can I get the best pizza in town? Tony's Pizzeria on West Street makes the best pizza, hands down. Where did you find your assistant? I hired her through a reputable recruitment agency. Where can I renew my driver's license? You can renew it at the Department of Motor Vehicles in the Central City office. Where is a good spot for fishing around here? Lake Benson is popular for fishing and just a short drive away. Where can I get a pet license? You can obtain a pet license at the local animal control office. Where should we look for new office space? We should consider the business district. It has many options suitable for our needs. These questions cover various everyday situations, helping you practice or learn English effectively. Subscribe to Ali Trainings and get access to a wide range of resources to enhance your English communication skills.